Have you ever been annoyed while you're doing an Uber Eats delivery? And I don't mean the normal reasons where you're getting annoyed because you're waiting at a restaurant because they're taking 10 minutes to bring your order out. No, I'm talking about every 5 to 10 seconds, you keep getting a ping for another delivery while you're on a delivery, which isn't so bad, but these are like $2, $3 offers. They're wasting your time. You're not even looking at them. You're just instantly just clicking the X button every time they pop up. That can get kind of annoying and distracting, right? You want to know how to turn it off? Stay tuned. What's up? This is Elijah with the Side Hustle Society, cover the gig economy, one-person business success, and freelancing on this channel. And this is a video in the Uber Eats tips series where I'm going to break down a pretty useful tip that will help you make more money as a driver in under 2 minutes, starting now. So let's set the scene a bit first. Y'all might be thinking I'm going to recommend that you just follow the steps on the screen and just click on Stop View Delivery Requests. And honestly, that is a way of doing this, but that's not what I'm going to share with you. Reason being is, if you use an Android, Uber still has this bullshit where they want you to enable overlay permissions. That means that this will give the Uber app permission to overlay on top of other apps. So if you're watching YouTube, or you have DoorDash in the background, or you got delivery with DoorDash and you're doing it and you get an Uber driver request, that appears over the app. And I personally don't want that, so I turn that off in my settings as soon as possible. And if y'all want to know more details on what I'm talking about, I'm going to link to a video I did on the Rideshare Guys channel that kind of covers how to get around this Uber driver permissions overlay. But the thing is, if you click on Stop View Requests, you won't be able to sign back in because you would have to allow overlay again, and doing all that starts to get annoying. So what's another way you can do this? Well, the other way you can do this is if you have a dual account like we've been talking about in the last few tips. You can just pull up your request options menu and you see deliveries and Uber X. Actually turn deliveries off, because we established in the last tips video you'll never get a rideshare request while you're on a delivery. So if you disable deliveries coming in, nothing will come in. And once you finish your delivery, just toggle deliveries back on and turn rideshare off if you want. That way you don't have to officially go offline to stop those pesky $2 orders that you're not going to take from coming in and just kind of driving you crazy, because it's just interrupting your driving experience for no reason. It'd be different if a $10 or $12 order was coming in, but you know. But I believe my 2 minutes are up. Some of these videos I've been going over 2 minutes, so maybe the title will say under 3 minutes. Forgive me, I'll get better, get faster. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thumbs up for the video, much appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'm not done pimping this dual account algorithm yet. If you want to know an additional tip on how to use the dual account to your advantage, that being an Uber Eats and Uber X account, then check out the next tips video that's going to be appearing on the screen right now. Catch you later.